Hey guys, what's up? How are you all? I am back with another video, and in today's video, I wanted to explore a new cafe. I've just dropped my daughter. It is Wednesday morning, 7:30 a.m., and I was just searching a very good cafe nearby, and I found one. I have never been there, so I am going to explore it as well and recommend it to you if it is nice. So, let's go and let's start with today's video.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the...
If you are new to this channel, I am Tanushree. I live in Abidjan and I show you a lot of Abidjan, different places, different food, different culture of Abidjan and Cote D'Ivoire. So if you are someone who is traveling to Abidjan or if you are someone who is living in Abidjan, this channel can be very helpful to you. So please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button and share this video with the people you know who are traveling to this place. I will see you guys very soon with my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.